I've always had a passion for horses. I went to Pencoed College and I did a national diploma, BTEC national diploma, where I got distinctions. By doing these qualifications hands-on, you know what you're doing. It makes me much more practical and much more sort of professional in the way that I know what I'm doing without having to be supervised. I am responsible for the smooth running of the riding school, so I ensure that all the lessons are up to standard. Everyone's getting the best sort of quality training. I'm responsible for people doing their exams now, and I do quite a bit of riding, quite a bit of teaching, so my job's quite varied.
Mike is a role model. Our students have all heard of Mike and they all want to be similar in qualifications and to get jobs like him. And he strives for being better all the time and never stops and always wants to improve, and he still wants to get better and probably become a fellow by the time he's finished, which is the top qualification in the equine industry.
I enjoy it because it's something that I love and it's varied, so every day is a different day. Always looking for opportunities to improve myself, so I think achieving what I've achieved at such a young age is something I'm quite proud of.